Students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve WBHHS টেস্ট পেপার 2024 আমি 9 নম্বর স্কুলটি আজকে সলভ করব। রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন বয়েজ হোম হাই স্কুল রাহারা। চলো প্রথমত এমসিকিউ এর কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার এগুলো দেখে নাও। Once again I had a game to play. Here the narrator means to convey a game of fun, deception, hide and seek, snake and ladder. এর উত্তরটা হবে hide and seek. Father always smiled and asked them to thank Allah the merciful. Mrs. Jones kept her past on the debate. Each time the hermit stuck his spade into the ground, he breathed heavily. The expression bleeding bark suggests that the bark is oozing jute, bloodstain, secreting sap, নাকি looking bloody. তো এটা হবে secreting sap. They feel the hollow full of light. Here the rays of sun. The winds that blow in summer in Shakespeare sonnet number 18 are rough. A winter evening is silent. The weather of the day when Lomov meets Natalia is splendid. The name of Lomov's younger aunt is Nastasia Mihailovna. Lomov hoped to go for shooting after the harvest. He is old and as ugly as a worn-out cab horse. The word he refers to the squeezer. এরপর তোমরা এসিকিউ অ্যান্সারগুলো দেখে নাও প্রোজ অ্যান্ড পোয়েট্রি থেকে। Whom did the hermit receive? The hermit received only common folk. Where did Roger fall on losing his balance? Roger fell on the sidewalk on losing his balance. Where did Kalam's father go for evening prayer? Kalam's father went to a very old mosque in their locality for evening prayer. Where was the high-pitched female voice heard? The high-pitched female voice was heard near the carriage door. Where did Mrs. Jones work? Mrs. Jones worked in a hotel beauty shop. How far was the Rameshwaram temple from Kalam's house? Rameshwaram temple was about 10-minute walk from Kalam's house. What did the jar bring for the wounded man? The jar brought fresh drinking water for the wounded man. How did the girl describe the narrator? The girl described the narrator, a very gallant young man who was very serious. To the girl's end of the journey. In what form of verse is the poem on killing a tree written? The poem on killing a tree is written in three verse. Why is the soldier pale? The soldier is pale because he is lying dead in the valley. What does the eye of heaven refers to? The eye of heaven refers to the sun, whose delights never came to an end. Grasshopper delights never came to an end. What is described as gentle without guile? The smile of the soldier is described as gentle without guile. What causes the bark of the tree to bleed? Hacking and choking cause the bark of a tree to bleed. The adjective does the poet use for the person compared to a summer's day? The poet uses the adjective lovely and temperate for the person compared to a summer's day. What does the phrase summer luxury signify in the poetry of art? In the poetry of art, the phrase summer luxury signifies that the summer is a luxury for the grasshopper and he enjoys it to its utmost intensity. এরপর চলে আসো বড় কোশ্চেন্স কোনগুলো তোমরা পড়বে। বেসিক্যালি আমি বলবো যে দেন আই মেড এ মিস্টেক, দিস ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, মাস্ট পড়ো। দিস ইজ নট আ কারেক্ট অ্যাপ্রোচ, পড়তে পারো। হাউ ডিড দ্য জার নার্স দ্য ওয়ান্ডেড ম্যান, এটা মাস্ট পড়ো। আই উড টিচ ইউ রাইট ফ্রম রং, এই তিনটা মাস্ট পড়ো, ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট আছে। এরপর দ্য পোয়েম অন কিলিং এ ট্রি ডেসক্রাইবস ম্যানস ক্রুয়েলটি ভায়োলেন্স টু নেচার, অবশ্যই পড়ো, ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ইন হিজ সাইড দেয়ার আর 2 red holes, অবশ্যই পড়ো। And every fair from fair sometimes declines, পড়তে পারো। Why does the kids feel the poetry word is never dead, must পড়ো। এরপরে রয়েছে Drama প্রশ্ন, sketch the character of Chubuko as a sensible father. Very very important. আসার probability 100%. And go there a merchant for his goods. খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, এটাও খুব চান্স আছে খুব। সি ইজ লাভসিক ক্যাট, মেবি আসবে না কারণ নাতালিয়ার সম্পর্কে এসেছে, আর যদিও আসে তোমরা একটু দেখে নিও। এরপরে চলে আসি ডু অ্যাজ ডাইরেক্টেড, এই পোর্শনটাতে আমরা গ্রামার, চলো দেখে নাও। আই সে টু দ্য ম্যান ক্যান ইউ টেল মি ডিড সি কিপ হার হেয়ার লং অর শর্ট, ন্যারেশন চেঞ্জ। I asked the man if he could tell me whether she had kept her hair long or short. The most important time was when you were attending to him. Voice change. The most important time was when he was being attended to by you. His smile is like an infant's. Complex sentence. His smile, which is like an infant's. I should not be too difficult. It should not be too difficult. Affirmative. It should be easy. I am awfully excited. Noun form. My excitement is awful. The poetry of earth is never dead. Split. It is the poetry of earth and it will never dead. Therefore, article preparations. The jar turned round and saw a bearded man came running out of the wood. The man held his hands pressed against his stomach and blood was flowing from under them. The boy said, I did not aim at, he added jagat too. The boy said, I did not aim to.